Double Whisk Milk Frother Handheld, upgrade motor, high-powered drink mixer for coffee, foam maker for matcha and more. Your favorite coffee every morning, ElitaPro Double Whisk Electric Milk Frother delivers you rich, creamy froth just like the professional baristas. We guarantee our milk frother will deliver creamy, thick, velvety froth every time. To your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, matcha or hot chocolate. Black. Built for trust, ElitaPro Handheld Milk Frother is made with hundreds of rust-resistant stainless steel whisks, a powerful 19,000 RPM motor that produces very little noise. Elegant in your kitchen, the silicone rubber ergonomically handle is made to fit comfortably in your hand. Stainless steel sand that looks elegant in any kitchen. Froth your desired foam in as fast as 15 seconds. Mix hot or cold drinks, blend your favorite cocktail, or even whip eggs. Easy to clean. Cleanup for this milk frother is easy and fast. It is easy to clean by sticking the whisk end into a stream of running water or soapy water and giving it a short spin, then dry by pushing the button again for 2 to 3 seconds. ElitaPro Handheld Milk Frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, not included. Worry-free purchase. Here at ElitaPro we stand behind our products by offering an unconditional satisfaction guarantee and 1-year warranty. If you are not 100% satisfied, please contact us immediately and we will do whatever it takes to make your ElitaPro experience a good one. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.